Okay students, so here we're gonna discuss about the examples of Mendelian pattern of inherited disorders. So first Mendelian inherited disorder जिसकी example हम discuss करेंगे that is the autosomal dominant disorder. Autosomal dominant disorders. So here, for remembering all the autosomal dominant disorders, there is one mnemonic that is AD, DON, THA, VAME. AD, DON, THA, VAME is the mnemonic that you have to remember for the autosomal dominant disorders. Now, here AD stands for what? Autosomal dominant. D is dystrophic myotonia. D is dystrophic myotonia. Okay. O stands for osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteogenesis imperfecta. N here, N stands for neurofibromatosis. N is for neurofibromatosis. T here, T stands for tuberous sclerosis. Tuberous sclerosis. Okay. Here H stands for hereditary spherocytosis. A stands for what? A is for achondroplasia. Achondroplasia. V here is for von Willebrand disease. V is for von Willebrand disease. Okay. E stands for, that is Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. E is for Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. सो एलर-डेनलॉस सिंड्रोम की 4 टाइप्स होती हैं, ठीक है. आपने क्या याद रखना है कि अगर आपसे पूछा जाए व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ एलर-डेनलॉस सिंड्रोम, सो योर आंसर मस्ट बी टाइप 2. मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ एलर-डेनलॉस सिंड्रोम इज टाइप 2. नाउ अगर यहाँ पे as you know, Ehlers-Danlos क्या है? It is a collagen disorder ना. So यहाँ पे most common type of collagen जो affected होता है वो कौन सा है? That is type 3 collagen defect. Most common collagen defect कौन सा है? That is type 3 collagen defect. और मोस्ट सीवियर फॉर्म ऑफ एलर-डेनलॉस कौन सी है? मोस्ट सीवियर फॉर्म ऑफ एलर-डेनलॉस इज टाइप 4. Okay, so these 3 points you have to remember regarding the Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Now, here A stands for what? A is for APCKD क्या है? It is adult polycystic kidney disease. Adult polycystic kidney disease. Here I stands for intermittent porphyria. I stands for intermittent porphyria. And here M stands for what? Marfan's syndrome. M is for Marfan syndrome. You know, Marfan syndrome के लिए क्या क्या clinical features है? For that, you have to remember mnemonic Marfan. Here, the M is for what? M is for mitral valve prolapse. In Marfan, mitral valve prolapse is present. Okay. Now, A stands for what? Aortic dissection. Aortic dissection. Here in Marfan syndrome, if they ask you what is the most common cause of death, then your answer must be aortic dissection. It is the most common cause of death in Marfan syndrome. R stands for the retinal detachment. R is for retinal detachment. F stands for fibrillin gene mutation. You know, Marfan में क्या है? Fibrillin gene की mutation है. Fibrillin gene mutation. और जनरली ये जीन कौन से क्रोमोसोम पे होगा? क्रोमोसोम नंबर 15 पे ये प्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है. A stands for arachnodactyly. Okay, arachnodactyly. And N stands for 9 feet height. यहाँ पे जनरली जो पेशेंट होता है ना विद मार्फन सिंड्रोम वो बहुत टॉल होता है. सो 9 feet height of the patient is tall. Now we're going to discuss about the autosomal recessive disorders examples. Second is autosomal recessive disorders. ओके अब इसको आपने कैसे याद रखना है? फॉर दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द निमोनिक ABCDEFGH. दैट इज ABCDEFG and H. Here A stands for alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is an autosomal recessive disorder. B here it stands for beta and alpha thalassemia. Beta and alpha thalassemia. Okay. C here is for cystic fibrosis. You know cystic fibrosis क्या है? It is a cilia का defect ना. So cystic fibrosis is a autosomal recessive disease. Alkaptonuria में mainly phenylketonuria जो अमाइनो एसिड है उसकी वजह से ये डिजीज होती है. And beta and alpha thalassemia, you know, there is a decrease in the quantity of gene. D is for what? That is deafness. Deafness कौन सी? Mainly sensorineural hearing loss is there. And E stands for that is emphysema. एम्फाइसीमा। एम्फाइसीमा क्यों होता है? ड्यू टू अल्फा 1 एंटीट्रिप्सिन का डिफेक्ट होता है इसमें, और इसकी डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से एम्फाइसीमा अकर्स। F stands for Friedreich's ataxia. Friedreich ataxia क्या है? It is a trinucleotide repetition mutation. Here G stands for Gaucher's disease. Gaucher's disease. And here H stands for what? H is for the homocystinuria. Homocystinuria. So these are the disorders that comes under autosomal recessive trait. Third examples that we're going to discuss is for X-linked recessive. X-linked recessive. For X-linked recessive, you have to remember the mnemonic, that is Akshay can fight, dance, give him cold water. Okay? कैसे? Akshay can fight, dance, give him cold water. So this is the mnemonic. Now we'll discuss. See, here A stands for A-gamma globulinemia. Here C stands for chronic granulomatous disease. And fight का जो F है, it stands for Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome. Okay. D is for what? That is Duchenne muscular dystrophy. D is for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Okay, it is Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And G is for what? G is for, that is G6PD deficient anemia. G6PD deficient anemia. H here stands for hemophilia A and B. Hemophilia A and B. And C is for what? Color blindness. Color blindness. W is for Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. It is Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. Okay. So these are the examples of X-linked recessive disorders. Now we'll discuss about the X-linked dominant disorders. X-linked dominant disorders example. Here you have to remember the mnemonic, that is fast car. Fast, C-A-R. Now F stands for Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome. C here stands for what? Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Here A stands for Alport syndrome. And R stands for Rickets. And one syndrome is there, that is a Rett syndrome. Rett syndrome. Okay. So these are the examples of the various Mendelian inheritance disorders. So I hope you can remember by using all these mnemonics. So thank you guys for watching this video.